Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very special soap with a very special ingredient. It's a bit pricey, but totally worth it. I'm talking about donkey milk. Did you know that donkey milk can reduce wrinkles and delay the signs of aging? No wonder Cleopatra was bathing in donkey milk on a regular basis to preserve her beauty and youthful look. If you're interested in more soapy creations and DIY projects, be sure to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram, sarassoap. Let's get started. For this project we're gonna need this donkey milk. It comes in powder. This is the one I got. Per the instructions here, you're supposed to mix the donkey milk powder with warm water at 80 degrees Celsius. How it comes. It's vacuum sealed. It comes with a little measuring spoon, which is quite practical. So I'm gonna measure out the quantity that I will need for my batch and then proceed with the water. So this is how it looks. So we are going to add the powdered milk into the hot water and stir. As you can see, it dissolves very quickly. It smells amazing. I think it's the best milk I've ever smelled. It has a very sweet taste to it. Very, very nice. So it's the next day and the donkey milk cubes are frozen, as you can see. So we are going to measure out the amount that we need. The liquid amount, we're going to replace it 100% with milk. The reason why it needs to be frozen is because once you add the lye to it, you don't want it to overheat and you don't want the milk to scorch. So I measured out the lye and now we're gonna add very slowly the lye to the ice cubes, just little by little and step by step by stirring. This might take a little while, but it is necessary. And you want to always have your infrared thermometer to always be able to check the temperature. So we are at minus 13 degrees. So the milk is completely dissolved, as you can see, and it didn't scorch or overheat. So now we're gonna add it to the oils. Alright, so we are about 10 degrees apart and we are going to put the lye water, or the lye milk in this case, into the oils. I'm gonna use a sifter because I cannot see clearly through the milk if all the lye has been dissolved, just to be sure, better safe than sorry. So we're going to pour it slowly into the oils. And the oil ratio you can find in the description box. It's the usual recipe I'm using for most of my soap. We are going to split off the batch. This one with the peacock mica. And titanium dioxide in here. So in goes the fragrance. That I'm just gonna stir in by hand to make sure that we are not accelerating too much. What I want to do now is a kind of an in the pot swirl. So it's 2 days later. This is how the soap looks like. We're going to stretch the mold to make sure that the soap can release easily. And since I soaked very cool, it could be that the soap needs 1 day longer. In this case, we're just gonna wait. We don't need to rush it. We don't want to ruin this precious soap. So we're gonna have a look and see if it is ready. Yeah, looks like we're doing okay. Oops, this one came out alone. I like the delicate marble look. So for the stamping, it's an acrylic stamp, rubber mallet. We put it in the center or where you want to have the stamp, and then we tap it down lightly. And here we go. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you around soon.